Howdy, fellas! Welcome back to Redneck Backyard Mechanics. Yeah. Alright. We're back again. Does this look new? Possibly. Any of you know what this is? I was working in my shed. You know, the shed that I'm building the sink in. And I kind of got that going. I'll show you a little bit more about it here in a minute. I thought, I need a way to warm this place up. See, I ain't got no insulation or nothing. I need a way to warm this hornyok up. So, I went and got a water heater. I tried a water heater. A used water heater didn't work no more. I think the heating element or something was out of it. I'm not for sure. What we did, this is what's inside a water heater. Inside all that crap, all that tin crap, that's the water tank. So what we did, me and my cousin cut out a door, cut out a hole for a pipe, boom, stove, plugged these holes on top, burnt all the foam stuff that was in it, put it back inside here and burnt it. You can see we kind of got a fire going. We had a good one going over here. It's not burning too well right now. And I got her pretty warm in here. It's about 70 degrees. And it's about 34, 35 degrees outside. Well, let's see if we can't get this fire to start up a little bit. I got me my jigger, air blower, I don't know what it is. Blows air. And that smoke kills my eyes. I didn't do much to it. Oh, they're actually starting to catch up. I'll just shut that. We'll have to put a draft down there under that door so it'll burn better. Still ain't even clip the wires off from the heating unit. Well, fellas, now that you've seen that, we'll walk over here onto that handy dandy sink. That's the building. And you see, I got a water hose to a pipe. And it works. It does work. Ain't got no water right now. I got silicone dried because blew a hole in her on the tank outside. It's a little dark right now, so I ain't gonna go out there and show it. I'll show it in another video. And for right now, instead of making a drain, I just put me a bucket under there. Catch the water, and I'll prove to you that it's working. See, we got a little bit of water in there. Slide that bucket up underneath there. That's about all I've done since the last time you saw. So that's some of that tin from that water heater. She hot. She's a hottie. Well, that's probably gonna be all for this video. We'll catch you on the flip flop. 10-4 rubber duck on the side. You know, so there should be lingo put in there. Alright, yeah. We're gonna get on out of here. Remember, like and subscribe. Yeah.